Hello, and welcome to the Subby Zone, Episode 4, Adding and Subtracting Polynomials. I'm your host, Phil Subby. Okay, now we're going to start this off with subtracting polynomials, because that's the harder part, and I like doing hard stuff first, not in a sexual way. All right, and then minus 2x to the third plus x minus 9. Okay, so that's 2x to the fourth plus 3x to the third minus 9x squared minus x minus 7 minus this polynomial 2x to the third plus x minus 9. Our first step is we want to make this polynomial into a negative. Okay, and you can imagine this being multiplied by -1, right? So distributive property, this will be -1 times 2x to the third, -1 times x, and then -1 times -9. So let's do that real quick, and that is going to turn into -2x to the third minus x plus 9. Now we add the polynomials. So we're combining, in a way, we're combining this lesson. Okay, and now this is written in standard form, descending order, right, from the last video, and we're just going to do it like this. All right, and then we're going to add, and then you put your like terms, all right, under each other. Okay, now you can just imagine a 0 there. You don't have to put the 0 there, but just for illustration, put it there. Okay, so we got -2x to the third, and then 0, and we got -x, and then +9. All right, now we just add it up like we would any number, right? Like if you added 1, 1, 1 plus 2, 2, 2, it's going to be 3, 3, 3, right? So we add them up. So 2x to the fourth plus 0 is 2x to the fourth. 3x to the third minus 2x squared, 2 to the third is plus x to the third, and then minus 9x squared minus 2x plus 2. And there is our answer. Okay. All right. Let's go to adding polynomials. Okay, and a quick update from last week. The guy outside in my front driveway is still out there, and he comes about at about 6 p.m. each day, and he stays until 9 p.m. with his lights on. I actually went out there and I stared at him for a while, and it didn't change anything. I don't know why he's out there. I have a hypothesis that a group at the college that I'm going to is trying to mess with me. They're not trying to hurt me, I don't think, but they are. I think they hired this guy, or he's part of the group, to come after me. And I think the group that is doing this wears light blue shirts and outfits. Okay, so let's add polynomials. Okay, so we got 3x to the third plus 2x squared plus 1. Okay, that's how it might look. And then plus 2x squared plus x minus 9. Now, this is one less step than the last one. All we're really doing is combining like terms, but we set it up like adding any numbers, and it makes it easier and less mistakes. And then I'm going to put, because I know that x is going to be gone, I'm going to put a 0, right? Because there is no x in this, no x to the first power, and then plus 1, okay? And then we got plus 2x squared plus 0 plus x minus 9. Right? Now we add this up. 5x. Ooh, I screwed up. This should be 0. This should be 2x squared. Okay, so this will be 3x to the third, and then plus 4x squared plus x minus 8. There is our answer. I had that little screw up right there. I thought it was these were the same exponent, but I corrected the mistake, and mistakes mean you're human. I am not an alien. Okay? I am not a robot. Okay. All right. Now let's move on to one little thing I want to show you. Which is, this is a cool little, and I'm just going to do something real easy, just something really small, at least. Minus okay. All right, so that's 2x squared plus 1 minus 2x squared minus 1. Again, first step, make this into a, let me put this over here. Negative 2x squared plus 1. So these cancel out, which is 0 plus 2. All right, and here's a cool thing you can do. Is you can plug in any number into x and keep it consistent. So this is going to be 4 times 2 would be 8 plus 1 equals 9, and then 2 times 2 squared minus 1 would be 4, would be 8, would be 7, right? And then if you subtract 7 from 9, this gives you 2. Right? So it's the same thing. It's a good way you can check your work. If you want to do that with a big polynomial, maybe you got a big test and you want to check adding and subtracting polynomials, you can plug one in, or just for fun. I do it for fun. Okay, and I would like to end this by saying to the group that is after me, look, I know who you are, and I don't care. I live my life every day to the fullest. I don't give a fuck what you guys do. You can't scare me, and I'm gonna be somebody one day, and you can't fucking stop me. All right, thank you. Next week we'll be multiplying polynomials.